All right, let's look at the ODE non-homogeneous initial value problem. All right, so we have initial value problem, and also they also give us the complementary solution and the particular solution. So the general solution is just the sum of these two. So we can write the solution y of x as c1 e to the negative 1 plus c2 e to the 3x, right, plus negative 2. So it's a minus 2. So that's a particular solution here. All right, so let's use the first initial condition. If you plug in x equals 0, and we're supposed to get 3. All right, so we have y of 0 is equal to, all right, so you get the c1 and plus also c2 and minus 2, right? This is supposed to be 3, right? And so we have this condition. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to both sides. So you have a c1 plus c2 is equal to 5. All right, so in order to use the second initial value condition, we need to find the derivative first. So let's take the derivative. All right, so y prime of x is equal to, all right, negative c1 e to the negative x plus 3 c2 e to the 3x. And the derivative of negative 2 is gone because it's 0 because it's a constant. All right, then we plug in 0. So you have a y prime of 0 is equal to negative c1 plus 3c2. And this is supposed to be equal to 11. All right, so let's combine these two equations. I'm going to actually just add them up. So c1 plus c2 is equal to 5. So we can simply add these two equations up. So you have, all right, negative c1 plus c1 cancel out. 3c2 plus the 1c2 would be 4c2. And 11 plus 5 is 16. Right, so we can divide it through by 4 to get the c2. So c2 is going to be 4. All right, so once you know our c2 value, then we can plug this into here. So we have c1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So we can simply subtract 4 from both sides. C1 is going to be equal to 1. All right, so therefore, we are looking for the solution. So it's a y of x is equal to, all right, C1 is 1, so you have e to the negative x. And C2 is 4, so plus 4 e to the 3x. And a particular solution is minus 2. All right, so this is the solution of the initial value problem. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.